In the programming world, variables are names that reference some other value. If you want to save some value, assign value to a variable. In other words, variables are just boxes. We'll use them to put something in and save it. So let's look how to do that. Let's start with our first program. We'll use the print function to display our message. Let's create a variable called message and assign our hello world string. Equation sign means value in the right side will be saved to the variable on the left side. Okay, so we assigned our message. Now we can use it in the print function. And sure enough, the results are the same. So let's try something else. Let's say I want to save a number. A equals 5. B equals 3. And show a value of A. A multiplied by B. Okay, we multiplied two values using variables. Now let's have a look at naming of these variables. So let's create a person variable, and let's say the value is Jack. We can also create a person variable by typing a capital P and assigning its value as Tom. So you see that Ruby is case sensitive. So let's create a variable and start it with a number. Okay, see, now we get a syntax error. Variable names cannot start with a number. However, at the end of the name, numbers can be used. So why don't we try the same with a sign? Person question mark equals Jane. And there's another error. So signs are not allowed in variable names either. So what about the underscore sign? Person underscore equals Brian. And that's okay, so no errors. Underscores are commonly used in naming variables, so it is not an illegal issue. Person underscore 3 equals Brian and shows value. Name underscore surname equals John Doe and shows value. Now let's try something different. Class equals programming. And we got a syntax error. Else if equals test. And we got a syntax error. Okay, so why do these errors occur? And why am I sitting here making them? I'm showing you that, as in just about every other programming language, Ruby has some reserved words. And these words are called keywords. You cannot use them as a variable. All right, let's move on.